In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. This effect is perfect if you're creating social media posts, presentations, or short videos where you want each word or line of text to show up in sequence, almost like it's being typed or revealed step by step. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Canva. First, open Canva in your browser or app and create a new design, or open an existing one where you want this effect to appear. Make sure you're on the page or slide where you want the animated text. It helps to zoom in a little so you can see your text clearly while you work. Now, add your text. You can do this by clicking on the text option and choosing a heading, subheading, or body text. Type out the sentence or phrase you want to animate. At this stage, it's just normal text, all in one box, appearing all at once. To make it appear one by one, you'll need to separate the text into smaller pieces. Decide how you want it to appear, word by word or line by line. For word by word animation, duplicate the text box as many times as you need, and in each box, keep only the word you want to show at that moment. For line by line animation, do the same, but keep each full line in its own text box. Arrange these boxes so they line up perfectly, as if they were one sentence or paragraph. Next, it's time to animate. Select the first text box, then click on Animate. Choose an effect that reveals the text, such as a typewriter, fade, or rise effect, depending on what your version of Canva offers. Once you're happy with the first animation, adjust its timing or duration so it appears at the right speed. Then, select the second text box and apply the same animation style. Use the timing controls or the timeline at the bottom to offset this second text so it appears just after the first one. Continue this process for each text box, staggering their start times so they appear one after another in a smooth sequence. When you're done, preview your design using the play or preview button. Watch through the animation and tweak the timing if any word or line feels too fast or too slow. Once you're satisfied, you can download or share your design, and your text will now appear one by one in Canva.